Hey guys, good day. Welcome to my video. So guys, I want to arrange my room today because my room is so rough, As you can see, just look at someone's bed. Can you see my bed? And that place I need to clear it too. And I want to remove this luggage here, so I'll put it up. And the baby bed too, I need to arrange the cot bed, okay? So when I was winning, I hear my bed ring. So I'm reaching there because the thing that I order, not be now they won't deliver. So I thought, okay, I'm going to check wait till it down and post. On reaching there, she said she gave me something. She said my sign. And I did not order something like this. All the things that I ordered, they are all big, So I was shocked to see this one. So I want to unbox it. It's from Germany here. I don't know where it's coming from. So let's unbox it together so that we'll see whatever that is inside. In case of tomorrow, I'll have evidence, okay, to prove it. Adi, me, I'm shocked. I don't know what is this. I don't know if my husband ordered something. I did not order something like this. Let me show you now. So I'll check the address again. So what is this? What is this? I don't know. I have to pick everything so that it's short. Let me see that. So I don't mind the look because I want to arrange this place, okay? So this is it. I don't even know what they're using this one to do. So this one is like wallet. Me, I know I'll not use my money to buy this kind of thing. This two and two. Yeah, it's like where you put passport. I don't know. Me, if you know what is this, please let me know. Whether it's something you put your card, your document or I don't know. So me, except my husband. Maybe my husband will know what they are using it to do. But for me, I don't know what is this. So let me package it back. Because maybe when, I don't know, let me put it back. Because even this video that I'm doing, it's not this thing that I'm using to make videos. So if people want to send me something, people should send me a better thing, okay? Because me, I don't know what they are using this one to do. And I think you say, I know what they use this one to do. I like. So the best thing is for me to package them. So let me keep it in case of city. On a very good day when they come, I will give it back to them. I don't know how to use it. So that's it, guys. So let's arrange. I want to arrange my bed. I want to change my bed spread because they are dirty. Okay. I bought bed spread from Nigeria. Or more money it costs. To claim is 100 something euro. So I just leave it. I will take it. I will collect on shop. But I want to arrange this place. I want to arrange my room. So this luggage now will go up. So guys, this one is for bed spread and towel. Bed spread, bed cover, they are oil. So I want to arrange it so that I'm not going to make mistake when I search for something. Okay, my room is so rough, so I need to tidy up. I don't like that so I don't know people like me whether they still exist because me, like person like me, I have Hoover. I don't sweep this place. I don't like to mash sand because me, I don't wear slippers inside the house. I don't wear hard shoes. So I need to carry this luggage now put for up. Now my husband they carry and come down. Oh mama, I don't laugh me. You guys should give it. I tell my husband to wear this luggage. You know what to wear. Me too, I'm not tall like that. Oh. Make a plan, break out your routine. Fall apart and hold the pieces of my memories. In the day, it's no complaints where it's been. Tell me what you want, what you want, what you want. That is why you are called Jehovah. That is why Jehovah. I'll just do it anyhow. My mouse will come. He will help me. Finally, I did it. I need to change this my pillows. I need to order new ones because I wanted to do it in December. But I just look, I say, because me, I'm that type of normally sweating, and this my blanket is very thick. That's why I order another one in Nigeria. If I'm sleeping, I normally sweat all over my body, full of sweat. Mostly when I get back newly. Oh, I don't wear clothes. So anything that makes me to lie down a bit, I'll be sweating. What is your housewife? When you're a housewife, this is what you have to be doing. Except you have HACCP. Even when I'm having HACCP, I'll not leave all the work for HACCP. I have to still assist HACCP, okay? But not in this Europe at all. Ooh, where is you? So guys, I am done spreading my bed, so I want to remove all this stuff here now so that I'll push this thing back. Let me show you guys how it's looking like right now. So that's my bed. I've arranged, are you seeing it? To make this duvet is not easy at all, you know. Hey, the cover duvet is so big and heavy. So I want to clean those table and also clean the glass here. So I have to clean the glass here. So that's it, guys. Ooh, being a housewife is not easy, you know. So I need to arrange this place too. And this speaker too. So I think it's okay like this. My husband wants to use. I have to be using it like that because I need space. Make a plan, break out your routine, fall apart and hold the pieces in my memories. In the day, it's no complaints, where it's been a dream. So guys, I need to plug this Harriet laptop here, okay? Thank you for watching. So I need to go clean my living room area. Thank you for watching. Please follow this page and subscribe to our channel. Come on, let me see. I want to see this guy. The treasure is still big, so why your oil is not that long? When you are okay tomorrow, you wear it to tomorrow is carnival, you wear it to kindergarten tomorrow, yeah? Okay. But you have to be strong first. You will do it in kindergarten. Efosa, what is the owner of that jacket? You go wear it there. For your baby. Who is carrying baby? Is that how to carry baby? See you. So guys, thank you for watching. See you guys in our next video. Bye.